Hobbii Sheep BabyWool is a delicious 4-ply yarn made from 100% merino fiber spun in Italy. One 50-gram donut, or 1.75 ounces, run for about approximately 165 meters or 180 yards. The yarn weight is fingering weight, and the yarn is suitable for pullovers, cardigans, and accessories for all the family. We recommend needles size between 2.5 millimeters and 3 millimeters. That's a US size 2 to 3. And the crochet hook we recommend is a 3 millimeter or US size D3. On a 10 by 10 centimeters or 4 by 4 inch gauge swatch, you should get somewhere between 26 stitches every 32 rows. Baby wool from Hobbii Sheep has been superwash treated, which is why it's easy to wash in the washing machine at 40 degrees Celsius, that is 104 Fahrenheit, without ruining the fiber. You can also iron this fiber at low temperatures, and it's available in many beautiful and bright shades. One last thing to mention is that the merino in baby wool is sourced from South America, and the yarn is Oeko-Tex certified. We would love to hear what is your favorite color down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.